Okay guys, here's my Nature Made haul from CVS. It's pretty embarrassing to have all of this in one spot, but it's 42 of the Nature Made, 42 bottles. I had to go to 4 stores, but it was fun. I got 2 of the Summer's Eve, 2 of the Colgate, 1 of the Nivea, 1 of the Got2b, and this is my first receipt. And I paid, trying to focus, I'm not too good with this camera, $2.60. This was my second receipt, and that is $3.29. That's my third receipt. It was $4.91. And that's my fourth receipt, and that is $3.55. I got a $10, $10, $10. I got a $2, and I got a $5. So I did pretty good. I was out of pocket, what? $3.50, $5, $8, $9, $10, $11, $12, $13, $14. And I made $30, $35, $36, $37. So not a bad haul. I'm learning. Bye, guys.